Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make clam chowder from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 15 ounces of fresh or canned clams, 2 cups of diced potatoes, and 4 slices of bacon. For the creamy base, have 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of flour ready. Don't forget 1 medium onion, 2 celery stalks, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of broth to build that incredible flavor. Now, let's build the foundation of our chowder's flavor. Begin by cooking 4 slices of diced bacon in a large pot until it's wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, but leave that delicious fat behind. In that same pot, sauté your chopped onion and celery until they soften. Then, add your minced garlic, cooking for just about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of flour to create a roux, cooking it for 2 minutes to thicken our base. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour in 4 cups of clam juice or broth, along with your 2 cups of diced potatoes. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook until the potatoes are perfectly tender, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, add your 15 ounces of clams and 1 cup of heavy cream. Heat the chowder through gently for about 5 minutes, being careful not to let it come to a rolling boil. Our delicious clam chowder is almost ready. Now, it's time for the finishing touches. Season your chowder generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Just before serving, stir in that reserved crispy bacon for a wonderful textural contrast. For a fresh, vibrant touch, garnish each bowl with some chopped fresh parsley or chives. Serve your hot, creamy clam chowder with a side of oyster crackers or a slice of crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.